Dodos are one of the most iconic symbols of human-caused extinction, but recent evidence may suggest that they are not, in fact, extinct. Dodos are actually giant flightless pigeons. DNA tests of their bones have revealed that their closest living relatives are the Samoan tooth-billed pigeon, the Nicobar pigeon, and the Victoria crowned pigeon. Dodos only ever lived on one island off the coast of Madagascar, now called Mauritius. Mauritius originally had no native human inhabitants, but Dutch and French colonists eventually settled there. Records left by these early colonists tell of a land filled with giant tortoises and flightless birds, including the dodo. Many hungry sailors hunted dodos by simply clubbing them. Later colonists introduced cats, dogs, monkeys, and pigs. Many of these got loose and destroyed the eggs of the ground-nesting dodos. By the year 1700, the dodo was believed to have become extinct. But is it gone for good, doomed only to exist in our art and sculptures? Perhaps not. Over the past 30 years, people have recorded numerous sightings of dodos darting through reed grasses by the marshes and the coastline. Is it possible that a small population of dodos have remained hidden all these years? Most convincing of all, in October of 2015, a tourist flying a drone over the reed grasses filmed what appears to clearly be 3 resting dodos awakened by the flying drone and frightened into a run. Watch closely at the center of the screen right at the water's edge, and you can clearly see the 3 dodos running. Is it possible that this footage has at last settled the extinction debate? We'll let you decide for yourself.